Hello everyone, it's Mark and welcome back. In this video I'm going to talk to you about what rights can be removed by the court from the ward. Now these are rights that are not necessarily taken from the ward and given to the guardian. In a follow-up video I'm going to talk about what rights the guardian can be given, but these are rights that are taken away from the ward. Okay, and I'm going to read these from the statute. You can read these for yourself, but the statute number for your reference is Florida Statute 744.3215 subsection 2, and I'm going to read this to you, and then of course I would encourage you to go check it out for yourself. So it says here, rights that may be removed from a person by an order determining incapacity but not delegated to a guardian include the following rights. The right to marry. If the right to enter into a contract has been removed, the right to marry is subject to court approval, meaning marriage is a contract, okay? And so if the ward wants to get married, they have to come and see the court and get permission. The right to vote, the right to personally apply for government benefits, the right to have a driver's license. So we may want to restrict their ability to drive. The right to travel, and that's a big one, okay, because it's possible that somebody is going to get on a plane and leave the state. Now I've seen it happen actually. We had a case where the family did not have a guardianship against our advice, refused to get it, and their daughter jumped on a plane to Mexico. Now, I sent one of my investigators to go down there and bring her back, because when she got down there, she realized she had no money and nowhere to go, and was completely lost. And obviously, we didn't want her being in peril, in danger, and so we got her back. But obviously, if we'd had the guardianship, we could have reached out to TSA and said, look, we have a guardianship here, and the court order says she doesn't get to travel, and they wouldn't have allowed her to get on the plane in the first place. So we can restrict the right to travel. And then the last right is the right to seek or retain employment. So these are all rights that can be taken away from the ward. Now remember, the whole idea of guardianship is to get the person back to a situation where they can start to manage their affairs again. So we don't want this to be forever and ever. Now, most of our guardianship cases, unlike the Britney Spears case that went on for like 11 years, I mean, our average client, works with us for about a year or 2 years. So those are the rights that can be suspended. It doesn't have to be all of them, but it can certainly be some of them. So anyway, with that said, thanks for tuning in. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.